Hello guys, welcome to this new tutorial, and today I will show you how you can convert and edit your PDF documents directly in Microsoft Word, and after that how to save those documents again. Download any PDF document or have your PDF document ready that you'd like to edit. If I open the document by double clicking on it, you'll see that this is a random PDF document and I need to edit it, but because it's a PDF document, I'm unable to edit. We are going to use Microsoft Word. So once you have your PDF document downloaded, come to the document and right click. Go to Open With and go to Choose Another App. Basically, there are certain applications that are set to open your PDF document, and by default it's Microsoft Edge. But go to Choose Another App. I'll click over there and I'll scroll down. If your Microsoft document is not listed over here, click on More Apps. Click there, and under More Apps, I'll go and find Word. I'll click on Word and click on OK. Microsoft Word will open. Basically, it's Microsoft 365 will open, and then I'll receive this warning. Word will now convert your PDF to an editable Word document. This may take a while. The resulting Word document will be optimized to allow you to edit the text, so it may not look exactly like the original PDF document, especially if the original file contains a lot of graphics. So I'll say OK. And down here, you can see that it's converting the document, and then boom, it opens the document as a text document in Microsoft Word. So if I scroll, I'll see that my business plan is there and I'm able to edit. So let me just show you. Search business plan. And if all the fonts are installed on your PC, basically you shouldn't have any problem editing this text. You can center it, you can align to left, right, just like any other text documents. You can change the font if you want to, or you can keep the original font as well, and it works. So few adjustments. Remember, basically because it was converted, certain element might be misplaced, but you just need to look around and change it. You can see that the table of content doesn't start on a new page. So just try and align everything and it should be ready to go. Basically, this is how you convert the PDF document into a Word document. From here, you can go to save. Once you're done doing all your editings and you're happy with the document, you can go to File, Save As. If you go to Save, it will save the document as a Word document, but go to Save As. This will give you more options. So click on Browse. You can go and save on this PC directly, but I prefer clicking on Browse. And you can see that I have an option to save this document type as a Word document, meaning it will be a doc document or docx document that I'll have to come back and edit later. Or I can also choose from this button over here, and I'll have other options of the document that I can save it under. And over here, I can select PDF. So guys, you can use this method for any type of PDF document. It could be a document that requires a signature from you and you have the signature already saved on your PC as a photo, and maybe you just need to insert it into the document. Go ahead, convert the document, insert the signature as a picture, then save back the document. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something today. Give us the thumbs up and wait for the next video.